Welcome back, dear students. Hope you all are fine and healthy. We are reading second chapter of chemistry, that is matter around us pure? So in the last video we have read about elements. Today we will read about compounds and mixtures. So let us start our first topic, that is compounds. Compounds are those substances which are made up of two or more elements. They are made up of two or more elements which are chemically combined, in a fixed ratio. They are substances which are made up of two or more elements. Which are chemically combined. So एलिमेंट्स क्या है? एलिमेंट्स वो सब्सटेंसेस हैं जो दो या दो से ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स से मिलकर बने होते हैं और वो केमिकल रिएक्शन या केमिकल चेंज के थ्रू बनते हैं. And they are having a fixed ratio. They have a fixed ratio. Like water is a compound. Its formula is H2O. Water is represented as H2O. And it is made up of two elements. Which are those elements? Hydrogen and oxygen. And water contains two atoms of hydrogen. And one atom of oxygen. Similarly, you have heard about carbon dioxide, that is written as CO2. It is also made up of two elements. Which are those elements? Carbon and oxygen. And H2SO4. Do you remember what is H2SO4? It is sulfuric acid. And it is made up of three elements. Which are those elements? Hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Do you know the name of the salt which we use in our kitchen? That is known as common salt. And the formula of common salt is NaCl. Its formula is NaCl. Now, it is also made up of two elements, that is sodium and chlorine. Similarly, nitric acid, that is HNO3. It is made up of hydrogen, nitrogen and ऑक्सीजन. सो कंपाउंड्स दो या दो से ज्यादा एलिमेंट से मिलकर बने होते हैं जो कि केमिकली कंबाइन होते हैं. एंड दे ऑलवेज हैव अ फिक्स्ड रेशियो. दे ऑलवेज हैव अ फिक्स्ड रेशियो. लाइक वाटर में दो एटम्स हाइड्रोजन के होते हैं और एक ऑक्सीजन का एटम होता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में एक कार्बन का एटम होगा और दो ऑक्सीजन के. सो सिमिलरली इन ऑल द केसेस रेशियो क्या रहेगा, हमेशा फिक्स्ड रहेगा. एंड वी कैन नॉट सेपरेट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ कंपाउंड बाय फिजिकल मेथड्स. मीन्स हम कोई भी फिजिकल मेथड को लगा के इनको इनके कंपोनेंट्स में सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते. जैसे कि वाटर के कंपोनेंट्स है हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ वाटर. So by using any physical method of separation, which are the physical methods of separation? Boiling, evaporation, sublimation, using magnets, filtration, these all are physical methods of separation. So we cannot separate any compound into the elements. We cannot separate any compound into elements by using physical methods of separation. Like the elements can be classified into three types. Elements can be classified into three types: metals, non-metals and metalloids. Similarly, compounds can also be classified into three types. Those three types are acids, bases and salts. Acids, bases and salts. I think you have read about these three in class 7th. If you haven't read, we will read about these in class 10th. So now let us move to our next topic, that is mixture. Mixtures are those substances which consist of two or more elements or compounds that are not chemically combined. They consist of or they contains two or more elements or compounds. Elements or compounds which are not chemically combined. Which are not chemically combined. Chemically combined. So मिक्सचर्स वो सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो कि दो या उससे ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स या कंपाउंड से बने होते हैं. सो मिक्सचर में दो या दो से ज्यादा एलिमेंट्स या कंपाउंड्स होते हैं बट वो केमिकली कंबाइन नहीं होते हैं. नहीं होते हैं. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल सुगर सॉल्यूशन. Example is sugar solution. Now, sugar solution is a mixture of sugar and water. It is a mixture of sugar and water. Now, we can separate the components of sugar solution. We can easily separate the components of sugar solution. Like we can evaporate the water. We can evaporate water from sugar solution and we will get the solid sugar. We will get solid sugar. Now, milk. Milk is a mixture of fat, it is a mixture of fat, protein, water, etc. Water, etc. We can separate the components of milk also. Now, the sea water. It is also a mixture. It contains salts and many other impurities dissolved in it. So the difference between compounds and mixtures are in the mixture, the components. Components means the various substances that are present in the mixture. Means मिक्सचर के कंपोनेंट्स क्या होते हैं, जो सब्सटेंसेस उसमें प्रेजेंट होते हैं उनको मिक्सचर के कंपोनेंट्स बोलते हैं. वी कैन सेपरेट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ मिक्सचर, बट in case of a compound, we cannot separate the components by using physical methods. Like in case of mixtures, we can separate the components by using physical methods. Which are the physical methods? Like filtration, evaporation, sublimation, and many others. So मिक्सचर्स के कंपोनेंट्स सेपरेट किए जा सकते हैं फिजिकल मेथड से, बट एक कंपाउंड के कंपोनेंट्स सेपरेट नहीं किए जा सकते. नाउ द मिक्सचर्स आर ऑल्सो ऑफ टू टाइप्स. विच आर दोज टू टाइप्स? होमोजीनियस मिक्सचर्स and heterogeneous mixtures. I hope all of you understood. In case if you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.